welcome to this video. I'm gonna be taking down the ceiling fan at a customer's house because they said this fan is not working very good. I only need the light, but not the fan. See, I'm pulling the phone point saying it doesn't work, but that switch does work. No, it doesn't either. It's gunked up. Okay, turn off power. Okay, thank you. Now, here we go. Let's take off the pull chain.
No, he was going to go there, and we decided not to. So they're making a big deal like we're getting.
Let's take off this.
Well, that kid
Just like kid first.
He never played that.
Here we go.
He was going to go there, but everything happened when you got a. You think it's going to get to play much when they got a big stud come in? So they figured I ain't going to play much, so now he's back.
And then now we should put this on the floor. Nah. Now let's take down the Swiss. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so now let's take away. Now let's take off this thing. Okay, now let's take off these blades. Okay. Right there. Put those over there. Now let's take off this motor. Take off this motor. Take off this. Oh. Take off this. Take off that. There we go. The owner's gonna take care of that. Whatever. But then we gotta do the same thing to this fan out here. So now, this fan is, I don't know, broken. Take the blades off. There we go. And, take it off. God knows the owner. Now this thing, we gotta get up here on my ladder. We gotta get up here on my ladder. We gotta get up here on my ladder. Here we go. Okay, now we're on my ladder. Take this. Put that down. Okay, got off my ladder. Now let's take care of this. There we go. There we go. Okay, I guess.